विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि.
The name Bhairava means the one who will remove the fear in your life. And the deepest fear is the fear of the death. And once you realize that you are not a body and mind, you are a consciousness, you are a soul, you are a spark of Shiva Shakti, then you know that it is a grace of Bhairava. It is a grace of Bhairava. We say that Batuka Bhairava, a child form of Bhairava, child form of Shiva, or it is a Gana of Shiva, or it is a Amsha of the Rudra. That is what we call Batuka Bhairava. But a deeper esoteric meaning of Batuka Bhairava is a spark of Shiva and Shakti. A spark of Shiva. The day you realize the truth that I am not a body, not a mind, I am a consciousness, I am a spark of Shiva, then who you are? Batuka Bhairava. You are Batuka. So in his mantra, he is a Apad Uddharaka. Apad means all the problems, all the troubles and all of that. Okay? This is created by whom? This ego consciousness. Ego, limited to mind and body consciousness, it is creating all the troubles. That I am a body, I am a mind, I am a this person, I am a that person, this personality. So this, all this created by this, who is going to do the uddhara of this? That soul consciousness, truth consciousness, Parabrahma Tattva. That is the Batuka Bhairava, is the real Apad Uddharaka. So in Shakti Sadhana we say that before doing any worshipping any Shakti, do the Bhairava Sadhana so that he can remove all the obstacles. But the highest form of Bhairava is Ananda Bhairava. Highest form of Bhairava is Ananda Bhairava. So in Mahapaduka mantra, what we have it in Sri Vidya, you see that level 1 we chant Mahapaduka mantra, where we invoke highest form of Bhairava as a Ananda Hasaka Prem. Okay? Do you remember? Hasaka Prem. Parashambhava Shakti. Parashambhava mantra. Highest mantra of Parashambhava Yoga is Hasaka Prem. Highest form of Chandi, Chamundi as a Maha, Kala Samharini is nothing but a Hasaka Prem. You see that Sadguru Adi Shankaracharya, when he went to Kamakshi, okay, he could be able to bring a Divine Mother Adi Kamakshi into a soft form, sattvic form. Before to that, what is her form? As a Kala Samharini Kali. Kala Samharini Kali. So, to bring her down, he has to establish the Sri Yantra. If you go to the Kanchi Kamakshi, there are two Kamakshis are there. One very famous Kamakshi with a Divine Mother Raja Rajeshwari form, and another one is there, Adi Kamakshi. There is a temple near to the Bhairava temple where Sadguru Adi Shankaracharya go and establish the Sri Yantra. We call her Mahachanda Yogeshwari. Mahachanda Yogeshwari and Kala Samharini, the one swallow the time. Swallow the time means there is no time. When you bring your awareness in this moment, here and now, not worrying about the past and future, what is actually happening to you? Is there any time element there? So what consciousness you are going to experience is Kala Samharini Kali consciousness or Kala Bhairava consciousness. So it is said Kala Bhairava is the one who controls the time. Who controls the time? Who swallow the time? So we need to go beyond the form, understand the true meaning of Bhairava. And that consciousness again manifests with a different layers. From the highest dimension as Ananda Bhairava comes back to a different forms. Main 8 forms are there that we chanted together, Asitanga Bhairava and all. And these 8 forms, under them again 8 forms are there. Asitanga Bhairava, under him again 8 assistants for him. So totally 64 Bhairavas are there. But if we can chant or worship these 8 forms, okay, plus essence of all these, what is that form is? Batuka Bhairava. So it is a very, very powerful sadhana. And actually it is not a, Vedic sadhana. It is a tantric sadhana. And in also tantric is Agora Tantra sadhana. You need to understand that. Because Agora Tantra is where we don't deal with the sattvic qualities, we don't deal with the rajo qualities, we deal with the tamo qualities, tamasika. Okay? But Batuka Bhairava is only the form which is not a tamasika, it is in a sattvic form. We need to understand this. And this Batuka Bhairava, his mastery is, he is always with a different type of ganas of the Shiva. Bhuta ganas are there and all other different ganas. Pishacha gana is there, Rakshasa gana is there, all of that gana is there. And he is the police force to control all of this. If these are the 1 or 2 thieves will be there in Pishacha gana, Rakshasa gana and all. He is the one who is the Kotwala, controller, security of all these negative, invisible beings. So when we do the protection shield of these Ashta Bhairavas, nothing can touch you. No Agora, Tantric, Prayoga can harm you. How powerful it is. You see that? These 8 Bhairavas control 8 directions. Control 8 directions. So when we invoke them with their respective direction, and we see that with the intention and sankalpa, we ask them to surround all the time. When you do it every day, what happens? Literally, you start feeling them in astral world. The moment you think, they manifest. Because they are very, very powerful in the astral world. Because they are controlling the astral worlds. So when we do that, so this is something gives a great protection from the tantric effects. Whatever tantric is there, they are doing it. Without this, they don't do it. Without this, they don't do it. In Agora Tantra, we call this Reem, Bija mantra as a Chintamani mantra. Same for Bhuneshwari, but in Agora Tantra, this Reem is the ultimate Sammahara mantra, destroys all the negativities. All the negativities. Shakti Pranava itself is a Chintamani mantra. Today what we are learning, what we are going to invoke is very, very powerful sadhana. Not only we are doing the Sri Vidya sadhana, but also we are going one step ahead where we want to go for a Siddhi process. So this is the sadhana for a Siddhi process. You see that in Sri Vidya we don't talk about Siddhi, we talk about self-realization. Here we talk about Siddhi. This Raj Matangi, Matangishwari and Bhairava, these are the Siddhi process, Siddhi sadhanas with the magical spells. magical powers, magical power of the mantra, magical power of the yantra, magical power of the tantra. Bhairava sadhana is very powerful. He is like a police force who can help and protect us. He is the obstacle remover of all type of problems, whether it is a material related or spiritual related. And when we go beyond the Aghori sadhana, there is again we have a Tantra yogic sadhana where we consider Batuka Bhairava or Kala Bhairava as our real master, yogic master, who help us to master the Kundalini. You see that? One form is protection, okay? Another form is removing the obstacle. And another spiritual aspect is where he is a yogic master who can help us to master over the Kundalini. Remove all the obstacles. All the obstacles. So that is one of the very, very important aspect. Bhairava is, in yogas, we worship him as a master. Especially this Natha Sampradaya. You see that? This Machendra Natha, Gorakshanatha, where their mantras are, with the Bhairava, Hanuman and Kali. All the Ugra forces will be there. And Bhairava is the main aspect where they worship. Batuka Bhairava sadhana is the one where householder can do it happily from sitting at the home. This we need to understand. Okay? Because many people have this, Bhairava means they are afraid, first of all. Bhairava means, first of all, afraid. And especially people, so much, different negative thoughts, conditioning. If you are doing Bhairava, you should be very careful. He will make you upside down, Many scriptures and this they say, Bhairava means he will make you upside down. Of course, he will make you upside down because that is the truth. What we thought outside world is a real, but it's not real. Inner world is. That's what the upside down. Where I need to realize the truth that inner reality creates the outer reality. That's we are learning philosophically, we are learning principally, we are learning. But if you also understand, this will help. Bhairava will bring you more attention. Then you will go faster. This is very important understanding what Bhairava does to that. And there is a need, education is needed for that. Otherwise, fear will be there. Oh, I am doing this. I have seen many students who don't understand him, what he can do, where he can take you. They have a fear, If they don't do the sadhana, they are afraid. And from their own subconsciousness, with their own fear, they started creating a blocks and, attracting the negative situation in their outside life. So you should not have any fear when you do the Bhairava sadhana. And with this workshop, with this understanding, by taking the initiation, when you do the sadhana, you see great miracles in your life. Because this sadhana is more active on this third dimension. You see, I have been telling that this world is ruled by Tamo Guna. You see, Kala, it's a Tamo Guna. And Tamo Guna deities are more powerful on this earth. So this Kala Bhairava, this Batuka Bhairava is more active on this earth. They are more active. Astrally they are more active, and the physically third dimension they are more active, because these are the Ganas. Ganas are they ruled by this word. So this is very powerful sadhana. That one thing we need to understand. And he will remove all type of fears, okay, remove all type of obstacles, especially tantric related. And he give us such a great protection that you cannot imagine. And today we are going to learn how to activate that protection shield, okay, how to invoke these 8 Bhairavas and also establish them in our energy body or soul, or how to do the sadhana. That we are going to learn. That is something gift to us, because when we do this sadhana, nothing can touch you. Once you know how to protect your aura, then you know how to protect your. You can protect your home. Put the Digbandhana. You see that? With the Bhairava, Ashtabhairavas, you call them and ask them to guard all the directions of your home. Nothing can touch you. Nothing can come. Nothing can harm you. Wherever you go, Even you go to the hotel room, put the protection sheet and sleep, you will have a very good sleep. No negativity. No negative, all those things. Before doing any healing, put the protection of Bhairavas and do the healing and see the result. Very powerful. Very, very powerful. Because this is active force that is working on this earth. And this is because of this, Lord Shiva made this, the main sadhana place is in Kashi, where you see so many cremation ground, where Divine Mother Varahi and Kala Bhairava are the Grama Devatas. And this, force is very, very powerful, and it will help us when we do this sadhana in our home. So this is something where Lord Shiva himself take a form of Bhairava to protect that Kashi. Means there should be something. We need to trust, we need to believe, we need to allow this force come in our life and help ourselves. Is it clear? That is one of the very important thing we need to understand about Bhairava.
Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kanta Kutum